practice writing the formulae of some simple compounds. Let's start with a simple one, hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen has a valency of 1 and chlorine also has a valency of 1. So this works well. The final formula is HCl. Next, hydrogen sulfide. Hydrogen has a valency of 1, but sulfur has a valency of 2. So we need 2 hydrogen atoms and just 1 sulfur atom to get a balanced compound of H₂S. The valencies get swapped in the formula. Let's look at another one, carbon tetrachloride. Carbon has a valency of 4, but chlorine has a valency of 1. So we need 4 chlorine atoms and just 1 carbon atom to get a balanced compound of CCl4. Time for ions. Here's magnesium chloride. Magnesium ion has a double plus charge and chloride ion has a single minus charge. Now 1 magnesium ion needs 2 chloride ions to balance and give us MgCl₂. Now let's look at an interesting one. Aluminium oxide. Aluminium has a charge of 3 plus and oxide has a charge of 2 minus. When we cross over the charges, we see that we need 2 aluminium ions and 3 oxide ions to balance. Does that make sense? Let's check. Total positive charge equals 6 and total negative charge also equals 6. So yeah, it's balanced. And swapping the charges gives us the correct formula. Okay, now I have an interesting one for you. Calcium oxide. Calcium has a charge of 2 plus and oxide has a charge of 2 minus. What is the formula here? Crossing the numbers gives us Ca2O2. But in this case, we can simplify this to CaO. Because as you can see, we just need 1 ion each to balance. The same concept holds for polyatomic ions, like sodium nitrate. Sodium has 1 positive charge and nitrate has 1 negative charge. So the formula is simply NaNO3. Okay, today instead of our usual quiz, we will practice writing more chemical formulas. Let's use this table for reference. Okay, ready? First one, calcium hydroxide. From this table, we can see that calcium is Ca with a double positive charge and hydroxide is OH with a single minus charge. So what is the formula? It is 1 Ca and 2 OH, CaOH2. Next, sodium carbonate. Sodium is Na with a single plus charge and carbonate is CO3 with 2 minus charge. To balance, we need 2 sodium ions and 1 CO3 ion. The formula is Na2CO3. Next example, ammonium sulfate. Cross the numbers again to get NH42SO4. Next, sodium oxide. Cross the numbers and get Na2O. What about aluminium chloride? AlCl3. Similarly, sodium sulfide? Correct, Na2S. Oh, what about aluminium sulfate? This one is Al2 and SO4-3. Okay, what about the reverse situation? Can you name a compound by looking at the chemical formula? Let's give it a go. CaCl2. Ca is calcium and Cl is chloride. So the compound name is calcium chloride. What about K2SO4? K is potassium and SO4 is sulfate. So potassium sulfate. KNO3? Again, K is potassium and NO3 is nitrate, potassium nitrate. Okay, one final one. CaCO3. This one is calcium carbonate. Wow, that was a lot of practice, guys. Great job hanging in there.